guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just do a quick little update video. First off, I want to start off by saying hello again. I've been gone for like 3 weeks, which is a long gap even for me. And also hello to everybody who is new here. I noticed a few new subscribers here, so hello, welcome, thank you for joining us. So the reasons that I haven't uploaded anything in like the last 3 weeks, I figured I would at least clue you guys in. I know a lot of you already know, but I am entering the Nyx Face Awards again this year. I entered the last 2 years in a row, didn't get in. This year, still don't think I'm gonna get in, but I'm gonna try anyways. So I spent a little over a week making a latex prosthetic thing, which if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you would have seen the process of both of them because I made one, didn't like it, made another one. Still not terribly in love with it, but you know, it is what it is. And then the following weekend, which is last weekend, I spent Saturday and Sunday filming, spent a few days getting all of the footage together. So that would bring us into last week, and then I was trying to get everything all together, trying to get all the videos into the editor, which kept crashing, which is so much fun. It was over 13 hours of video to begin with, and then the first beauty look that I did for it, didn't like it anymore, didn't like it really in the first place. Felt kind of rushed, so I spent this past weekend on Friday just redoing the entire look. All in all, this whole video has taken me like 20 hours of just filming. Like 13 hours of it was like on location, so I was at a different place. I was at the theater company that I work with, and I was working with my friend Poe, who's amazing and super helpful and did a great job with everything that I asked him to do together. And I've started editing. I'm about half done with it. Still needs a lot of tuning up. I still need to shorten it a bit because going from 20 hours to 15 minutes is a nightmare. Luckily there's a lot of dead space in there, which is easy to cut out. So I did it the long way, which I don't normally do. Usually I'll like stop in between each step, like show you a little bit, stop, show you a little bit, stop, and then just finish what I'm doing. But with this, I wanted to make sure that I had enough footage for everything to cut the best pieces from. So I just let it film all the way through. This isn't just like an update type thing, but I've always really wanted to do like a Q&A on this channel. I know I don't have that many followers or that many subscribers or anything like that, but I really wanted to do a Q&A, and if you guys have any questions that you want me to answer, if it has anything to do with face and body painting, makeup, personal stuff, doesn't matter. I want to hear your questions, so if you want to, you can leave them down below in the comments. I will read all of them. Anything you guys want to ask, I have answers, or at least can come up with something. The Nyx Face Awards entry has to be done by the 27th, which 11 days from now. So I have a little over a week to finish everything. Since that's 11 days away, I want to get it up. I'm hoping for Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, we are cutting it down to the wire with this one. Last year and the year before, I entered super early. I had already had my entry in by now, I'm pretty sure. They announced the entries were open 2 weeks ago from today. And we have like a week and 3 days left. So it's like really cutting it close this year. So this week I want to get the Q&A for Friday, and then have my Nyx Face Awards video up for Tuesday next week. But that is all I have for this week's video. I know it's super short, but I wanted to just make this quick little thing. But again, as I said before, you can leave any questions down below for me for a Q&A, which I hope to have up by Friday. And if you would like to follow me on any of my social media, it is all linked down below. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when I upload any videos. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.